Hi, this is Steve. Welcome back to Scale Model Kit Review. Here is the Moebius 1/6 scale Lost in Space Robot B9. This was originally released back in 2014. This year, in 2018, Moebius did an updated deluxe kit featuring the seamless glass dome. So now you can purchase this kit complete with the glass dome, part number 949. Or you can purchase the two separately sold upgrade kits. First one being the complete upgrade kit for the head, part number 948, or the seamless glass dome itself for the kit, part number 947. So give me a second, I'll open this up and we'll look to see what's inside the boxes.
Mr. President, status control on Jupiter 2. As of this moment, the spacecraft has passed the limits of our galaxy. It's presumed to be hopelessly lost in space.
These are awesome kits. I purchased them from culttvman.com. Super fast shipping. When I ordered it, I received them within 2 days. He has excellent service and will combine shipping if necessary. So if you haven't done so already, head over and purchase these kits from culttvman.com. He's been having some awesome flash sales lately. Been picking up some great deals on some kits there, and those flash sales are just fabulous. So if you haven't done so already, sign up for his newsletter. Well, he'll send you a notice about his flash sales. Head over to culttvman.com.
Warning, warning, we're about to enter the orbit of an unidentified planet.
Do something! You're not real, you're not!
Alright, so the video doesn't end up being too long. I'm going to go ahead and review these individually on 3 different videos. So look on my channel to see all 3 parts of this review. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and unbox this B9 kit. If you want to see detailed photographs of all the kit parts, head over to my blog. There you'll be able to see all the close-up shots of all the parts that I just showed you previously with the upgrade kits and with this one. We'll open it up. It's a very large box. Inside it's packed full of styrene. Turn it sideways so you better get a better look at it. Tons of parts. Like some decals, glass dome, alright, I'll be back. We'll look at the parts. Here are the kit instructions for part number 949. Booklet style, stapled. First off, we assemble the head. Next comes the torso assembly. the treads, and of course the final assembly. Then they give you some assembly painting tips, some decal application, and power pack paint colors.
Identify yourself. Robot Model B9, designed and computerized as a mechanized electronic aid for Earth voyagers engaged in astral expeditions.
What are you?
I am a robot of the class M3, programmed to provide information and support to all Jupiter personnel.
The next bag of parts contained 4 sprue trees. We had two trees of these parts. So this looks like the track assemblies. Here's more of the track parts. We had 2 more sprues of these parts, which are your track assembly. Has a little bit of flash, but nothing that can't be cleaned off. Second bag contained all the rest of the dome parts. Let's look at them a little close. Next bag contains some of the major body parts. We'll look at those up close. It's actually dated 2013. The next bag contained 3 sprues of parts. Now all these parts that I've been showing you are kind of in a light gray color. I will show you the other sprue here in a second. These are the major portions of the track. The next bag contained all the soft vinyl parts. These parts here are a little bit thinner than the others. And they don't retract or extend. Be nice if they did, but they don't. And then here's your neck piece. The neck piece. And we get these 3 photo etch pieces. These are the lower torso vent screens. Here are the decals. And they actually gave me 2 of these. I don't know if the kit actually comes with 2, because it looked like they were just put in at the last minute, shoved into the box on the side. When I cut the cellophane away from the box, these decals fell out, so it looked like they were just inserted a little bit later and they weren't actually inside of the kit. Here's the sprue with the clear dome pieces. Two more bags of parts. These clear parts here, you get 2 of these. These are part of the dome.
Warning! Warning! Extraterrestrial life form approaching.
Well,
There!
Next we have the glass dome. I'll open it up just to inspect it, make sure it's not broke. And it's protected in the bubble wrap, so we're good there. It does come in nice protective bubble wrap. Here is the dome. And very nice piece of blown glass. Seamless. Nice refined edge so you don't cut yourself on it. And there you have it. This was the Moebius Models Lost in Space 1/6 scale robot B9 which includes the seamless glass dome, considered the deluxe kit, kit number 949. Please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Have a great modeling day, everybody. Go build something.